किया है मैंने यूट्यूब चैनल से और बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ आज Q3 रिजल्ट के बारे में और Q3 रिजल्ट टुडे लाइव अपडेट्स JSW मैक्स BPCL Cipla JSW Steel Shriram Finance IndusInd Bank and more. Q3 result today live. The quarterly earnings session is underway. Companies are announcing their financial performance for the October to December quarter Q3 financial year 26. On Thursday, January 22, more than 50 companies will announce their Q3 result. The top of companies that will remain in focus on account of result are APL Apollo Tubes, Bandhan Bank, Coforge, Cyient Ltd, Indian Bank, IndiGo, Tanla Platforms Ltd, ZEEL and more. Q3 result today. The quarterly earnings session is currently underway with the company announcing their financial result for the third quarter. Today, Thursday, January 22, according to BSE result calendar, more than 50 companies will announce their Q3 financial year 2026 result. The top companies that will remain in focus on account of result are APL Apollo Tubes, Bandhan Bank, Coforge, Cyient Ltd, Indian Bank, IndiGo, Tanla Platforms Ltd, ZEEL and more. और ये है Q3 का रिजल्ट का फुल लिस्ट आप लोगों ने देखा कंपनी का और ये है ऑल कंपनी का लिस्ट है और रिजल्ट के बारे में आप लोगों को साथ डिक्लेयर करेंगे। अभी जो क्लाइंट का Q3 प्रॉफिट हुआ है डिक्लेयर्स 25% टू 92 करोड़ और आप लोगों ने देखा जो इंजीनियरिंग सर्विस कंपनी क्लाइंट रिपोर्टेड 24.9% डिक्लाइन इन consolidated net profit rose to 91.8 crore for the December quarter of financial year 2026, primarily due to one-time provision on the back of new labor codes. The company had posted a net profit attributable to the shareholder of the company of ₹122.3 crore in the last year ago period. Revenue from operations saw a dip of 4% to ₹1,848.5 crore in Q3 financial year 2026 as compared to ₹1,926.4 crore in Q3 financial year 2025. और ये है कंपनी का डिटेल्स आप लोगों ने देखा फाइनेंशियल ईयर का।